This is going to be the first part in a two-part series about what to do if you've been sued, or what the process is in going through a lawsuit. There are two ways in Pennsylvania that you can initiate a lawsuit. One is through the filing of what's called a writ of summons. That's a somewhat uncommon way to start a lawsuit. A lot of lawyers will file lawsuits that way to avoid statutes of limitations issues. The more common way for a lawsuit to be started is through the filing of a complaint, and that's where someone writes paragraph after paragraph of all the horrible things that have happened to them. If you've been sued, you'll receive a copy of that complaint. Oftentimes a sheriff will deliver it to you, and you have 20 days to file a written response to that. If you don't file your written response in 20 days, they then have to give you another 10-day notice and an opportunity to file a responsive pleading. And usually after the complaint is filed, you would file either an answer, where you go through paragraph by paragraph and admit or deny everything that's been alleged, or you could also file preliminary objections, and that's where you ask the court to make a ruling that the plaintiff has not pled with enough sufficiency or some other things, and that the case should be dismissed or the complaint should be amended. So this is the first part. Stay tuned for the next video where we talk about the next step of what happens in a lawsuit.